Hey guys, how are you? I'm Wesley for the Guia Mundi channel, and today I'm going to show you a quick trick for not getting screwed when you're going to replace your tire, okay? If the valve inside the tire, right here where you put air, is broken inside and you cannot remove it, there is a quick trick you can do in your house before you go to your house or even there nearby your car to remove this valve that's broken inside so you cannot unscrew it. And if you go to a tire repair shop, they will charge you $40. They also do not guarantee if you're going to have the sensor inside working properly. Okay, so they will replace something for you for $40 plus the tire, and they do not guarantee if it's gonna work or not, your tire pressure sensor. So what I did is I pick up a screwdriver, just like this one, right? And I also put a drill bit here for metal drill bit, and you just come over here very gentle and make sure you break the valve inside. Okay, so we already did the job. I'm gonna show you here. Here is how you see the valve. We were able to break the valve and remove it completely. Okay, and then just it's gonna stay the hole there. And I bought this for $7, two valve adapters for the tire. I also come with the cap, and right here there's another valve, and this side you put just right here on the external side. Okay, you tie it up, you use an appliance, okay, and you tie it up as much as you can, and then you got your valve back, okay, and you also just removing the adapter, you are able to, anyone who's going to replace the tire is going to be able to put air inside and inflate the tire. Okay, so this is a very quick tip, very useful. Okay, it's a valve adapter. Instead paying $40 and also break your sensor, that's what they said. Okay, so as you can see, there is no air light right here. It's where it's supposed to show the lights. There is only for the brakes, but no lights for the low pressure. So here it is. Very well. It's not gonna come out. I'm gonna tie a little bit more the cap. But yeah, guys, basically it's it. Installed. Full of air. Very good. Awesome. So that was my tip today for you guys, to do not get screwed up with those mechanics. We went to a few shops. We tried to ask them to remove that. They also charge $40, $50, some charge $80. So for you, do not get screwed. That's the tip I got to you. It works very well. So after they inflate the tire, okay, so just make sure to put this adapter, and after the adapter is installed, so you just put air normally, and you should not have a problem at all to run and drive all around. Okay, so subscribe to our channel. Okay, leave your comments below telling us what you think about this tip. Okay, and also if you like the video, just give your thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.